TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time on Wednesday. We got 4 hours left to go in the trading day. We have markets pulling back from higher territory right now. You have the S&Ps slipping into the red. We're negative by 3 points right now, trading at 43.57. But you're talking about almost 30 points from the high we had right at the opening bell this morning. That's an all-time high print on the S&P, 84.50. NASDAQ 100 barely in the green still, but we were up there right near 15,000. Missed it by 4 points this morning. We're trading down about 120 points from that price level, 14,879. Dow makes it into the red, 34,753. You're down by 23 points. The Russell down by 1.1% at 2209. Commodities, crude pulling back from where we were. We were above $75. We're trading at 73.65. I believe they do have a deal going on with OPEC. I'm going to jump over actually to that headline because I had it up this morning. There wasn't much action in the oil market this morning, but this was dated at 7:30 in the morning that the UAE had reached a compromise to resolve the standoff with OPEC Plus. Looks like that, putting a little bit of selling in that market at 73.68. You back it up, though. That article, again, 7:30-ish, right? The price maintained until about 10 a.m. is when it started trading lower. Gold contract catching a bid today was up to $18.31. We're still up $13 at $18.23. And we jump to notes and bonds on the day that we have some Chairman Powell remarks. We have the 10-year right now positive by 13 ticks at 133.12. We get back all of the pullback we had yesterday, basically, and we'll jump over to the VIX as we've had the market pull back. Did we get a 15 handle? I think we did. Yeah, we got a brief 15 handle on the open, which was the highs of the market. VIX at an elevated level of 17.14 right now. We jump over to those Chairman Powell remarks from this morning. You had Fed Chairman Powell saying substantial further progress a ways off is how they put it. Some of the headlines in terms of conditions in the labor market have continued to improve. This is a quote from Chairman Powell's remarks, and this is going to begin right now at 12 o'clock. He'll be talking. So headlines will be coming out this hour as our man Larry Pesavento is on. But there is still a long way to go, he said. That was the quote quote-unquote, a long way to go, and that inflation has increased notably due to mostly temporary factors. Whether you agree with that or not is the key to that statement. Market catching a little bit of a bid, up about 7 points just in the last 2 minutes in the S&Ps, bouncing from the pullback. We're up 1 now in the S&P. Stay tuned, folks. We got Larry coming up at 12. Steve Rhodes live at 1 o'clock. Dave White live at 2 o'clock. Tom O'Brien, my dad, live at 3. We'll be right back, folks. Larry Pesavento coming up with Trade What You See. Stay tuned.